What are you doing? Water. What are you watering?
Yes.
The grass and the flowers and the trees and the bushes. Right? You're doing such a good job. More.
There.
Say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, Zviki? Are you on the swing? Yeah? You're on the swing? Say hi.
Hi.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Are you outside?
Okay.
And what's Yehuda's doing? What's Yehuda's eating?
Party.
She's eating a pretzel. Is Yehuda's allowed to eat a pretzel?
Yeah.
Yehuda's, is that pretzel good? Is it good?